So hi there, I want to introduce you to our new cables for the synthesizers. So it's a CPE set available in grey color with colored grommets and also in black. So the different colored grommets here, they are for the different length we have. So they are available for 0.6 meter, 0.9 and 1.2 and another one I show you here, so 0.15 as well.
So these are compatible with the Eurorack format?
Yes, they are.
So what is now different compared to normal standard Eurorack cables?
I mean, they are high quality cables with the Rion plugs here you can see. So what you need to check when unplugged, so you need to take the plug here and not unplug from the cable. So this is important to know, but I think if you're a user, you know anyway.
And if now the cable doesn't work, you can fix it yourself? Or?
Yes, sure. Yeah, you can see here the connector.
Okay.
So that you can unfix yourself.
So the first Eurorack cables from Cordial are already available in the market, or?
Yes, they are in the market, so around the globe, either available through distribution, depending if you're an end user or not, and so it's available in the market since a couple of months already.
And for price?
It starts with about €7, depends on the different length, but about €7 is the price range.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.